Welcome back, nail queens. In today's video, I am going to do a swatch and review of these nail art gel liners from this company called JosLove, and they sell these liner gels on Amazon. So what makes these so different and unique from the previous set that I swatched last summer is that these are definitely unique colors that I have not seen in any of the Amazon ones so far. JosLove sells other color kits, but I was particularly drawn to how muted the colors were in this kit. So the first color that I'm going to swatch is called Tomato Red, and it is exactly what you think. So I'm going to show you guys my real impression. Oh, this is a really fucking nice red. Oh my god. Quite literally a perfect red. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful red. Sorry, I'm going to swatch all of them like I did last time on a swatch stick side by side. And that oh my god snippet was just a real-time, not voiceover reaction. So here's another. Oh, this is a mauve pink. Oh yes. Oh, I wish that I had actually recorded my reactions for every single one, but I was talking to my nail friend Miranda on the phone at the same time, so I didn't want to include our whole conversation, and we were talking about random stuff, nail stuff, catching up and everything. But I love what I'm seeing so far. These are incredibly pigmented. I really like this. It's like a terracotta kind of color, ooh, this is gorgeous. I'm telling y'all, I'm in love with these muted colors. So far, I am blown away. I really appreciate that these bottles have the color swatch on the front of the bottle so you know exactly what color it is, and it has a name and a number. So this one's called Haze Purple, and it's like a gray purple in my opinion. I mean, I'm not the queen of purples, so I cannot really describe purples to you other than if it falls in the category of I like it or I don't like it. Dark gray, oh my goodness. I feel like dark gray should definitely be included in all gel liner kits, especially the standard ones where they include black and white and gold and silver. I'm like, gray, don't forget about gray. It's a great neutral color. So this one's called Deep Lake Green. Again, another gorgeous muted color. I can't even describe it. I'm just so in love with this kit. So I'm just going to shut up now so you guys can see the rest of the swatches. Okay, so I have to chime in for the glitters at least. This one's called Starry Sky Purple, and it is incredible and quite remarkable. I was blown away by this one. Out of the two glitters, this is definitely my favorite. It is giving me starry sky vibes, my goodness. And normally I'm not a fan of hollow, but in this sense, I'm like, I like it with a darker base. Yes, hell yes. For the second glitter in this kit, Starry Sky Blue. So you have a very dark blue base and blue glitter in here. So unlike the previous one that was hollow glitters, this one's mostly blue. So if you're not into hollow like I usually am not, this is a great glitter option. And I am very impressed with the pigmentation of these colors. So there's only a couple more left to swatch, and they are the purples. So there's two purples. This is the lighter one called Princess Purple. And I know I say I'm not really that into purple, but this one's all right. This falls into my category of all right. I probably wouldn't wear it as a full color mani, but when you're doing nail art, especially witch purple for Halloween, purple is definitely a Halloween color in my opinion. You need the purples for the nail art at the very least. I'm loving this range, the muted, the dark, the deep. And I hope you guys have loved this range as much as I do. If you like this video, definitely leave a comment in the comment box below letting me know what colors you would like to see me do first. I'm really eyeing like the matcha green color. All of the muted ones are really up my alley right now, the vibe, the season I'm in. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for watching all my videos, and I will have these products linked below in the description box. So if you are planning on buying, there's a lot more colors that JosLove sells, not just this set.